98.7 FM. Another event happening this weekend is giving back to the community. Dentistry from the Heart is a nonprofit organization that provides free dental work for people who don't have insurance or just can't afford it. So please welcome Dr. Michael Kessner to tell us more. Hi there. We have learned through research now how closely related keeping your mouth healthy is to keeping your whole body healthy.
Yeah, it is, and it's amazing. Gum disease affects the heart, so we're seeing a correlation between that and heart disease. And just a toothache is terrible pain.
Yeah.
And some people can't afford to have a tooth fixed or taken out. And so that's why we're providing this for people that can't afford to have it.
So how does it work? People show up, first come, first serve?
They show up, first come, first serve, from 8 to 4 tomorrow. And they'll get either one filling, one extraction, or one cleaning. And it's a lot of fun. We have games, we have radio station there. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah, when you see people show up, oftentimes they've been suffering for a while. And so we say dentistry from the heart. When you all do this, I'm sure you get a whole lot more out of it.
Oh yeah, there's lots of hugs and kisses and tears. And it's amazing, if people have been in pain for months and they just can't afford to do anything about it. And so it's really great for us to give back to the community in that way.
This is a great program, but overall, when people need help, are there other places they can call or to find out where they can get that? We're talking basic dentistry. We're not talking about getting a pretty, new smile in terms of beautiful new teeth, but we're talking about just to get those basics taken care of to get out of pain. How can they access that?
They can access that through the dental school in downtown, in the medical center. That's a great place. University of Texas Dental School will do that.
All right. Thank you very, very much for doing that. I know there are a lot of people out there who really, really need this. All right. Well, did you know that a simple swab with a Q-tip can put you on track to actually save a life? This woman is living proof. We'll hear her story when we come back.
Well, hundreds of families lined up outside Sugar Land dentist office today for a chance to get some free dental work. The May Just Smile Dental Clinic on Highway 6 hosted a free day of dentistry, complete with teeth cleanings, extractions, fillings. It's painful work, but hey, for folks who need it, it was nice. This is the second year the clinic has hosted the event. The free event, doctors and staff say, hey, they're happy to provide new smiles just in time for Valentine's Day.
So it's great for us to be able to give back to the community because, there's a lot of people that don't have dental insurance or can't afford to have their tooth fixed. And so, they're going around in pain for months and months. And so this really allows us to help those folks.
Yeah, the doc says some of the families waited in line as early as 1:30 in the morning. They treated more than 300 people. February, by the way, National Children's Dental Health Month. It's a tradition for a lot of dentists to offer this service Valentine's weekend. We bring Cam Bromack in to talk about the weather. I used my sunglasses today for the...
Well, this Valentine's Day, some dentists are hoping to make a difference. More than 1 million Americans are without dental insurance. 39's Myra Moreno was there today as many of those people waited outside in the cold, hoping to get free dental services.
It's absolutely wonderful.
What we did on Valentine's Day is kind of our way to give back to the community.
Dr. Mike Kessner is spreading smiles to hundreds of patients.
I didn't know it was free. I still couldn't believe it was free.
Free extraction or a free filling or a free cleaning.
That's right, you heard it. It's free. Right before Valentine's Day every year, dentists like Dr. Kessner provide free dental care to those who need it through a non-profit organization called Dentistry from the Heart.
There's a lot of people with toothaches that they've had them for months and they can't afford to get it fixed, get it taken care of. So it's real rewarding for us to do that.
I have had sleepless nights because of these teeth. I'm so grateful.
Dana Wright, who can't afford dental insurance, is finally getting rid of her pain.
A lot of people out of work, unemployed. This was really wonderful.
In a struggling economy, Brenda Piles admits she has no choice but to go without dental insurance.
My husband, under him, I can get insurance, but then it would be the whole paycheck.
This is the second year Dr. Kessner's staff have volunteered their time to help and give back to others.
People are really grateful. It's a lot of fun.
Twice as many people showed up, waiting outside in the cold for hours.
It's cold and I'm about to freeze.
I would have waited till 11:30 tomorrow night if I had to.
Dr. Kessner says his practice has been very successful. Doing this for hundreds of patients, he says, is well worth the time and effort. Reporting in Sugar Land, Myra Moreno, 39 News.
Coming Coming up.
Well, tomorrow, of course, is Valentine's Day, and dozens of people in Sugar Land will be headed into it with clean smiles. They were all able to see a dentist, and many say it was just what they needed because, as Eyewitness News anchor Lisa Rivas shows us, the visit was free. Stop, okay?
This is no typical day at the office for Dr. Michael Kesner, his staff, and his suppliers. This is an entire day of free dentistry. It's Alvin Brown's lucky day.
I haven't seen a dentist in 13 years, and, it's a good thing that somebody can come out there and help out people, and brighten their smile, make their day.
Like so many others, Alvin doesn't have insurance, but needs dental work. It's a Valentine's Day kindness performed by Kesner's staff for more than 250 patients.
Just this morning, a lady slept in her car. She got here at 1:30 in the morning and slept in her car, and just waiting to get in.
It was cold, but patients didn't seem to mind, considering what they were getting in return.
Well, I could make it. Yeah, the Air Force had me stationed in North Dakota in the mid-70s. 75 below zero. This is nothing. I'm getting one of my holes in my head filled. Had a filling fallout, and since it's free, it kind of fits my budget perfectly.
A lot of these people are walking around with toothaches for months and months, and they can't afford to have something done, and so we're able to help them out.
In addition to a cleaning, filling, or having a tooth pulled, Kesner says they're also just trying to make patients smile. In Sugar Land, Elisa Rivas, 13 Eyewitness News.
Dr. Kesner hopes to continue this Dentistry from the Heart event every Valentine's Day. Well, all the snow and ice North Texas has seen over the last few days has florists there working hard to get flowers delivered for Valentine's Day. Designers in Fort Worth have been hustling to crank out bouquets. That area has seen more than a foot of snow this